Hey there, today we are going to prove that the first derivative of a constant, is equal to 0. So for this very thing, we prove it. Let us suppose f of x is equal to k, where k is a real number, can be equal to 1, 2, then minus 3, 5, and so on. Okay, so from the definition, we have f dash x is equal to limit as h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. So here we have one further to get limit as h approaches 0. Now what about f of x plus h? As f of x is a constant, no matter whatever value we'll put in place of x, we'll still get a constant. Okay, so that implies f of x plus h will be again a constant. Because x is a constant, adding some number to a constant will also give us a constant. So that means f of x plus h is also a constant. So it's constant, and f of x, as we know, it has been supposed equal to k. So whole divided by h. So this is limit as h approaches 0, k minus k denotes 0 for h. So that means limit as h approaches 0, 0. So that means limit, as we know, limit of any constant is just that constant. No matter whatever is happening here, 0, as you know, it's a constant. This doesn't make any difference whether it's h approaches 0 or whatever is happening here. We know that limit of any constant gives us that constant. So that's equal to 0. So this is how this works. In other way, we can think this d by dx of k has some equation like y is equal to 3. So for this very thing, let us draw this very thing on a graph. This is okay. Here, this line will pass like this through 3. So if we go for the graphical representation, we find that our derivative, it's rather an equation rather. So we can say that here for a derivative, we should have two things. We should have a rise, we should have a run. So we know that for a derivative to work, we should have a slope. So in this very case, we have y is equal to 3. This is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis, which has no slope. This will again give us 0. So either way, whether you go this way or you go this way around, you'll get the same answer, which is that our k will be equal to 5, which is that the differentiation of a constant will be equal to 0. Hope this makes sense.